This is the LAPG Operator Backpack. This is quite possibly one of the most versatile bags that LAPG has to offer. You can see this backpack has quite a few compartments on it. We have two large side pockets and another large pocket at the bottom, which also has some great mesh organization inside it. You also have a large hook and loop section here for patches or a nameplate. It is also covered in MOLLE, which will let you strap on some additional pockets or pouches. On the front, there is a slip pocket and another pocket that is loaded with organization. It has spots for mags, pens, keys, notebooks, or anything else you can think of. It is fully hydration compatible, up to a 3-liter reservoir, and has tube routing on both sides. On the back is an ergonomically designed pad and shoulder strap setup to make the pack comfortable even while loaded with gear. Buckled chest strap and waist strap provide secure support, and additional buckles are included to release the shoulder straps and secure the waist straps to the pack. It also has a sturdy back plate for support that can be removed or adjusted. Additional features include headphone compatibility, dual D-rings, and additional top and bottom buckled tie downs on both sides of the pack, which also fasten down to stay flush and out of the way. Last but not least, we have the large main pocket, which has buckled adjustable tie downs for clothing or to hold gear tight, along with more mesh pockets on the opposite side. This pack is deep and expands to hold a serious amount of gear. This time lapse shows just how much you can fit into the LA Police Gear Operator Backpack. It is quite a lot of space, and there are endless options with this bag.
The Hazard 4 Drawbridge is our rugged, multi-access beaver tail day pack, meaning it can accommodate a wide range of external loads and has exclusive 3-way opening including top, back, and even side for sling-style gear access with full retention in crowds, open vehicles, and vertical terrain. So let's have a quick look at the overall concept and use, and some of the popular accessories like patches and pouches which are often paired with it. Then we'll head over to the bench for a focus on the details. With unprecedented versatility and unique features, it's sure to be a classic for years to come. Exceptional modularity, construction, materials, and intelligent design have made Hazard 4 a top choice of uniformed services, field techs, journalists, independent travelers, wilderness sports, and even Hollywood films and gaming since 2005. The pack's main bay is sized for up to a 2-day trip or everyday carry. Its zipper path allows full open and top or side access depending on the situation. The side opening is great for fast access off the chest and for retention. The distinctive beaver tail and modular webbing allows load expansion by adding multiple containers and external items. The beaver tail angles down for loading smaller items like helmets, jackets, and lateral items like tripods, snowboards, or carbines. It can also swing open all the way to support longer vertical items. Multiple strap configurations guarantee retention. A large laser-cut MOLLE Velcro provides further expansion and a big space for patches or IDs. The beaver tail also has a volume with an admin area for tools, accessories, or light garments. A large zip pocket in front and inverted pocket underneath adds versatility. Its patented modular top shell protects breakables and is a solid base for our exclusive hardpoint accessory system. A large contoured side zip pocket will fit some of the largest water containers available and more. The back pad has a separate flat compartment for tablets, laptops, or plates, and has a hydration bladder hanger with pass-through. Its fuzzy lining allows mounting of our hook and loop pouches, patches, and holsters, making it a versatile area for concealed carry or just organizing EDC gear. The back pad has a unique molded foam laminated in hard-wearing jersey resistant to tearing even when placed on terrain. It also won't hold much water or sweat. The pad provides structure to keep the pack from collapsing while providing strategic flex to conform to the body. Its flex channels and texture dots provide air circulation and anti-shift traction. A newly designed luggage handle strap is included and is both removable and adaptable to use as a retainer for various items.
The leftover loops, when it is removed, can be used as hangers for carabiners and similar items. The shoulder harness is our proven design, with modular MOLLE for pouches, quick drop buckles, and movable comfort stretch sternum strap. A removable belt has our patented rotor locking buckle and can be fitted with our optional MOLLE pads for comfort and modularity. Reinforced top and bottom handles allow a firm grasp and hanging. They won't tear even when the pack is overloaded. We finish off with the pack's canted bottom with compression straps, which provides a space to strap on items like a sleeping pad or rope. It also features a MOLLE array for adding containers securely. Unique to most of our packs are fuzzy liners quilted to the main interior, which add scratch protection and allow for adding dividers, pouches, and other internal modular add-ons. The subtle Hazard 4 logo liner trademark helps guarantee you have a genuine product. Available in our classic black and coyote 1000D Cordura fabric, Drawbridge also comes in our trademark Gray Man fabric, which is both less expensive and lighter for urban use. There are more features and modes that have been designed into this pack, but we just can't cover them all here. Watch for our other videos that highlight these and features universal to most Hazard 4 packs.
The AMAP III is the most versatile and universal military assault pack on the market, designed, battle-tested, and proven in Israel and behind enemy lines with the IDF's most elite units. It has numerous unique features and capabilities that no other assault pack has. We've all been in short raids that turned into several-day ops without warning. The ability to carry additional gear comfortably and instantly without bulky extra backpacks is critical. The pack goes from super low profile for short raids to carrying considerable loads for longer missions or changes mid-mission. The AMAP III pushes versatility and universality to new levels. It works with placards, helmets, hydration, radios and antennas, laptops, armor. It attaches directly to Agilite plate carriers and other plate carriers, and it functions as an independent assault pack as well as a crossover EDC pack. The new clamshell opening military-grade fully loop interior allows you to add countless Velcro back pouches. It works with whatever best suits your MOS or EDC needs and can change constantly and limitlessly as your missions do. Additional features include a new reworked beavertail design that allows you to carry helmets, clothing, and other items. Multi-directional attachment capabilities for sniper mats and additional gear, CCW draw capability, triple density fusion foam comfort padding, detachable shoulder straps. It also has a secure admin space for small, easy to lose items. The AMAP III has an optional EDC insert kit comprised of padded laptop sleeve and admin panel. This allows you to run your AMAP III downrange and then, in seconds, switch it up to a completely different configuration when going on leave. The AMAP III can detach from its shoulder straps and attach directly to Agilite plate carriers. It can also attach to most other plate carriers with our conversion attachment kit. There's no threading MOLLE or other timely and clumsy attachment methods needed. Attaching your AMAP III to your plate carrier means that your entire gear and survival sustainment system is one grab away. Whether you need to catch the helo or when facing a bad guy, you have everything in one grab, reducing your response time. It also means that in a gunfight, you don't have shoulder pads on shoulder pads all moving independently and unnecessarily bulking up your shoulders and stock weld. The AMAP III is lightweight and yet built with the finest mil-spec materials. It's built to survive over a decade of non-stop use in extremely aggressive military environments.
This is the Rush 2.0 series. When we unveiled the Rush series, it established a high watermark for backpacks. But we didn't rest on our laurels. We engineered our next iteration based on responses from around the globe and set another new standard with the Rush 2.0. With a hidden compartment, padded laptop storage, and 3 different sizes to choose from, this backpack is loaded with features that are practical, modular, and innovative. Choose from 24, 37, or 55 liters of capacity, all with standard eyewear and hydration compartments, as well as a removable backboard. The backpack that launched 1 million missions is gearing up to conquer 1 million more. Whether you're setting out for duty or adventure, the only limit to the Rush 2.0 series is your imagination.
This is the Mystery Ranch 2-Day Assault. It's a 27-liter pack loaded with features for travel or everyday carry. External features on this pack include dual water bottle pockets on both sides, dual front compression straps, MOLLE webbing on both sides, fully adjustable Futura harness, and a removable waist belt. The lid also has 2 separate compartments secured with weatherproof urethane zippers, as well as loop Velcro for morale patches. Access into the main compartment of the bag is through our signature 3-zip, which allows the user to simply rip open the top or use the center zip to gain access to the main bag. Internal organization includes 2 zipper detail pockets on each side, as well as 2 long vertical pockets for additional hydration reservoirs should you need them. There's a padded laptop sleeve on the body panel, as well as a separate divider for a tablet on the front. The laptop sleeves also comes with a tab to hang in a hydration reservoir on the body panel. Laptop or tablet can either be accessed from inside the bag or through the long urethane-coated zipper along the body panel. The 2-Day Assault comes in 2 sized yokes, either a small medium or a large extra large, and is available in 4 colors: coyote brown, forest green, foliage, and black. And to scale, I'm 5'11".